Justice Bitta Nyako of the Federal High Court Abuja don fix June 27, 2025 to deliver final judgement for the case wey suspended Senator Natasha carry go court against the Senate over her suspension. The matter enter court on Tuesday for hearing for all the motions wey still dey ground, including those wey concern contempt of court and the main case. Senator Akpoti-Uduaghan sued the Clerk of the National Assembly, the Senate, Senate Presido Godswill Akpabio, and Senator Neda Imasuen wey be chairman of the Senate Committee on Ethics, Privileges and Code of Conduct. For the Tuesday hearing, lawyers argue on the proper legal steps to follow. Lawyer to the third defendant, Kehinde Ogunwumiju, come talk say all parties suppose officially withdraw any paper wey dem no wan use again to avoid confusion. But Justice Nyako come reply say dat kind housekeeping suppose don happen long before now. On top the contempt matter, Akpoti-Uduaghan's lawyer come beg the court to first consider 2 contempt applications wey dey against the defendants. But the court come talk say since all the parties no gree organize their papers well, she go adopt everything wey dem submit, then pick out the ones wey dey relevant. The first defendant adopt a motion wey dey challenge the court's power to hear the case and beg the court make dem cancel the whole process and not grant any temporary order. The second defendant lawyer Chikosun Ojukwu also adopt his own papers and ask the court to dismiss the case on grounds say the court no get jurisdiction. The third and fourth defendant join adopt their processes too and tell the court make dem no answer Natasha case. After everybody submit their argument, Justice Nyako Konyan say she go first consider all the contempt applications and the early objections before any other turn. Make una remember say the Senate suspend Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan on March 5, 2025, just one day after another judge, Justice Obiora Egwatu, don order dem make dem not take any action against her until the case finish. Later, dem transfer the case to Justice Nyako after Justice Egwatu withdraw himself from the matter sake of bias allegation. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Kata Ojesele, TMC News.